Do you ever find yourself endlessly searching for that elusive, perfect hairstyle, one brimming with volume and texture, despite trying countless products and techniques? Or perhaps you face those frantic mornings, wishing you had time to style your hair, but resigned to the fact that your current routine just won't cut it? Well then listen up, because this video is for you. Today we're unveiling the ultimate game changer for your hair, texture powder. Now we get it, the notion of using a powder on your hair might sound unconventional amidst a sea of liquid formulas and gels, but trust us, texture powder is no ordinary styling aid. It's been the secret weapon of industry pros for years, and for good reason. Not only is it incredibly effective and simple to use, but it seamlessly blends into your hair, delivering a natural matte finish that packs all the volume, texture, and hold you crave without looking like you've used anything at all. Trust us, once you've introduced texture powder into your routine, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. But how does it work its magic? When applied to dry hair, texture powder works its way to the roots, where it truly counts, delivering unparalleled volume and texture that lasts all day long. And the best part, its versatility knows no bounds. Unlike traditional styling aids that need to be set to achieve hold, texture powder keeps your style intact without compromising flexibility. So whether it's wind, rain, or a sudden hood pop, you can restyle with ease, maintaining that same impeccable volume and texture. But wait, there's more. A premium texture powder also naturally absorbs sweat and excess oils, keeping your hair fresh and clean throughout the day. And here's the kicker. The application process is a total breeze. Just ensure that your hair is dry, apply a small amount directly to the roots, and work it through your hair with your fingertips for the style of your dreams. Want some extra flair? Scrunch the ends for added waves and flow. Now you might be wondering, do I need anything else? The answer is a resounding no. Texture powder stands alone, eliminating the need for a cluttered arsenal of products, giving you fast, effortless styling in one simple step. So there you have it. If you're not using a texture powder, you're missing out on unlocking your hair's full potential. Do yourself and your locks a favor, click the link below, add texture powder to your grooming routine, and prepare to flaunt the best hair you've ever had.